Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video we are going to continue our product list.php file, and you can see here in our table we have 4 buttons. So here we are going to give the 4 small buttons, and we will add tooltip here, and in the third step we will add Datatable plugin for our table. Okay, so let's continue. First of all, let me see this table code. And here we have the table code, so let's start from here. Let's just remove this 3 tds for the header of the table, and here in this heading I'm going to give here action icons. Okay, so the action icons, in the action icons we will add 4 buttons. One is for the barcode, second is for the view product, third is for the edit product, and fourth button is for the delete product. Okay, and this is the heading of the product list, so let's remove this, we don't need now. Okay, and here you can see the 4 buttons code, so I'm going to remove one by one. First button, this is the second button code, and this is the third, and this is the fourth button code. Save. Okay, and now let's refresh our page. What is the output now? You can see here the output. Okay, so first of all let me write the code for the action icons, but before the writing code for the action icons I am going to write code for the image, and for the image I let me remove this, and here I can write let me write code first and I will explain you. Okay, so our image code is completed now, and let's save and let's see the output. What will be the output? Perfect. Now you can see the images here. Okay, first image, second image of the product, and the third image we can see here now. And now in the action icons, let's add let me write the code for the action icon, and then I will explain you what I have done here. So let's write. So our code is completed now for the 2 buttons, and let's check our code is uh, right or wrong. So let's save our file and open our browser and refresh our page first, and you can see here the buttons. Okay, so what mistake I have done there? Okay, so we need to add here a td tag, td, and after this division I need to add again a close td tag. Okay, now let's save and see the output. Refresh our file. Perfect, you can see here. Okay, this button is for the barcode, and this is for the delete. Okay, and let's check what's the error we are getting for our button code. Class button btn danger btn extra small and span class for trash. We can remove this, and let's save, and this is the extra small we used here, the extra small, but it is not showing us the extra small button here. So what we need to do, we need to give here the hyphen. Okay, I think I forgot to add the hyphen here in between the btn and xs. So let's refresh our file. Perfect, you can see here the 2 small button, one is for the barcode, print barcode, and second is for the delete. So now we need to add the 2 buttons also for the view product and the edit product. So what we will do, simply we have already wrote here the code. Let me explain you. First let me write code for the view product or edit product. So I'm going to copy the first hyperlink, or I can say the anchor tag from here. Actually this is the button, not the hyperlink. This is, we can say, the anchor tag. Okay, so for the view product I just copy and paste the second time this, and here I can write view product instead of print barcode. So this file we will create in the further videos, view product.php, and we can give here warning instead of primary, warning class of bootstrap. Okay, and role button class for barcode. Here I can give I, okay, instead of barcode, and instead of tooltip we can give here view product. Okay, let's save and see the output. Let's refresh our file. Perfect, you can see here. Okay, this is for the view product, this is for the delete, and after the view product I need to add the edit button. So same thing I can do for the edit button. Copy this line of code, and just after this let me paste, and here I can give edit product, edit product.php PID warning, and here I can give info or success, and here I can give edit instead of I, and here in the instead of view product I can give here edit product. Okay, and now let's save our file and see the output. Perfect. Now you can see here the button group. One is for the barcode, second is for the view product, and third is for the edit product, and fourth is for the delete product. Let me explain you what I have done here. So simply in this line or in this portion you can see here we have just wrote this code. Image source, we just wrote the folder name here, in which folder, in this folder we are containing some images. You can see here in this folder we are using here, and from this folder we are getting out, or we are fetching out the image, and we are showing the image using of this code here. Okay, the image class is rounded, and we have given here the width 40 pixel and the height is also the 40 pixel. And after this image here I use again a TD, and inside the TD I just use here division class button group, and inside the in this button group division I just use 4 button here, and I use here the anchor tag for the first 3 buttons. Okay, and the 4th button I use here the buttons. Okay, here I just use hyperlink href href, and here I just given the print barcode.php file name. This file we will create in the further videos, and this file will also create in further videos, and this is also we will create in further videos. Okay, so don't be confused. And here I just pass the ID from the database PID. This PID is coming from the tbl underscore product database table, and here I just give the class button btn hyphen primary, then btn hyphen extra small. X is for the extra small, and here I just given the role is button for the anchor tag. That's why it is looking like the button, you can see here. Okay, and after this I just given here the span class fa barcode for the icon. You can see here the barcode icon on the button, this barcode icon. So this barcode icon we can see using of this class. Okay, and I just given here the style color black. This is the HTML code for the black color. This color we are using for the tooltip, and tooltip code we are adding in the next video. I will show you how can we add. Okay, so don't be confused. And here I am using data toggle data toggle is equal to tooltip. So this code we are going to use in the our script file. Okay, so don't be confused. And the title, you can see here the title print barcode. So this title we can see here, you can see, if you can see this print barcode. Okay, so I hope you got this what I have done here. This the same thing I just repeated for the second button and for the third button, and for the fourth button I use here the button. Why? Because fourth button is for the delete button, and for the delete button we will use the ajax. So for the ajax we are using here button instead of anchor tag. Okay, so I will tell you in the further videos the ajax code, and in that ajax code we will use this button id. Okay, so I hope you got this what I have done in this video, and then in the next video we will add the data table plugin, and we will add the code for the tooltip. So don't be confused. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. So see you next video.